This 2022 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108DS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 22 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, awning, LP detector, TV antenna, external shower, stovetop burner, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, TV, spare tire kit, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108DS is 4,202 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.